Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I actually want to start off with ladies and frick, but too late. Welcome to another video, and today I am playing Terraria, and I actually just recently defeated the Eye of Cthulhu, which means you know what, or actually you don't. I am going to be taking on Skeletron. It's just going to be really fun because I have no idea actually how I'm going to do that other than with my broken boomstick. My sticky bombs, my healing potion, my lesser healing potion, my boomerang, and my war axe, and my keen war axe of the night. Let's go faster! I also got a magic carpet off screen. Well, there's a lot I have done off screen. And the magic carpet is one of the things that I got off screen. But anyways, onwards! Now I'm here in Icy Land, it changes music. Ooh, zombies. I hear zombie things. No, stupid Raven. Guess what my favorite weapon so far is, other than my boomerang, because of course that's not it. It is actually my broken boomstick and my keen war axe of the night. The war axe of the night was made out of demonic ore, which I turned into demonite bars, demonic ore bars or something. Traveling merchant, yay! Which means it's morning, so I gotta go back. Ooh, now that's fun. Let's go see what the traveling merchanto has. Oh, by the way, the Dryad came because, guess what? I defeated the Ayakuluth. Mr. Traveling Merchant, sir! I think you've gotten stuck. Mercer, shop, you have. I want the ammo box. Okay, so I used 20% less ammo. Okay, now let's place down this thing. Too bad I probably can't do Skeletron in this video, but it would be awesome if I could. Oh, did you know that everyone here sells something? I also bought a dive bat and did a lot of upgrading for my house. I got a bed! Yay! Hey, just a competent fishing master that I've been looking for. Eater of plankton. A corrupt fish that was mutated from a severed piece of the Eater of Worlds. Wow, that's kind of crazy. They play rock, paper, scissors, too. 12% corruption. Purification bag cleanses the evil. First off, let's find somewhere to put down this freaking ammo box. Nope, there we go. What do I do with it? Oh, meaning that there is a 20% chance that I am not going to use ammo. That makes sense. Instead if I use 20% less ammo. The ammunition box is pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, yeah. Let's go to corruption place and cure. Did you know that this doubles as an axe? It's not just a battle weapon, it's a chopping tool. See, let me show you. So cool, right? Oh, by the way, I caught a golden bird and sold it. You see that right there? It's my rare creatures counter thing, and it shows me, and it tells me what rare creature is nearby. I got on and I saw, I don't remember what I was doing, but I got back on for it, and I saw a golden bird, and I was like, I must have. And then I sold it to the merchant for 10 gold for 1 gold bird. I ate a mushroom. And I got potion sickness from it. Let's use this purification. I defeated 50, yay. Let's use this purification powder. It actually does purify. No. Vile mushroom! Yay, got a vile mushroom. Death weed. I wonder what kind of wood this is. Ebnon wood. Ebnon wood. I like Ebnon wood. Very cool. And here is some boreal wood. I also had some palm wood, but I use it to make my palm bed. Doo doo doo. Oh, an eater of souls bear. Okay. That's weird. I don't know if you know, but I made a hook. I have defeated a lot of eater of souls. Flying carpet's really useful. Very useful. Let's get there. What's that? Heartbeat. That's what it is. Okay, makes sense. I've been sitting on it. Up, up. Die, undead fighting. I don't quite think that makes sense. Yeah, I still can't mind that. Gotta remove that stupid. I remember there was a cave I went to and it had a minecart rail. I wonder where that cave is. Minecart rail cave. That's what we're going to call it. Well, what I'm going to call it. Wow, it's been 12 minutes already. Wait a minute. Bombers. You know what? Let's get back over there. Get slit back. Get slit back. Ooh. Talk to the Dryad. See how much. Wait a minute, my. Oops, Oh, there's minecart cave. Now let's go to minecart cave. Well, I'm going to go to minecart cave. The video is going to end right here because, well, it's the end of the video. You're going to see me going to I will see you guys.